Hello everyone, thanks for checking out my video. I got the carpet mats out of my Mitsubishi that I'm cleaning up to prepare it for sale. And I want to clean them up. I want to use a product that I've never used before. That product is P&S's Double Black Collection Running Doyle Carpet Bomber. It says it lifts and dissolves dirt, ready to use version. In the smaller bottles, the ready to use version, you can also get in a gallon. I think this was around $9 if I'm not mistaken. Also about a gallon, so I hope this works good. This deodorizes cleaning, quick action. The way I'm going to use it is spray it on. I've already vacuumed the carpets or the mats. Spray it on. I'm going to agitate it with my Walmart brush here. They still sell these, by the way. I think it was around $5 or so, $6. Good brush. I've had this for 2 years. It's served me very well, and it's going to serve me a lot longer because it's still in very good shape. I think I'm going to soak it in some super clean. Get rid of this brownish here, but definitely worth buying. Fits the hand real good too. So, like I said, I'm going to spray on the carpet bomber, agitate it, let it set for a few minutes, and then once it's dry, vacuum it and see what I get. In fact, I'll probably do the interior of the car while I'm waiting for this to dry. I don't know how long it's going to take for this to dry. Then I'm going to make another video of the results and combine the two and upload them to YouTube. So I'll be right back. Short pause and be right back. Okay, I'm back with the results. Worked really well. I mean, I didn't expect the carpet mats to be black again. No way. I mean, they're in the car when I got it. I've had the car for 6 years. Probably only cleaned the mats maybe 3 times since I've had it. You know, they go through winter. But on this one here, the passenger side, it seemed to bring out the black on those parts where it wasn't worn. The white part in the video, it's really, I'm looking at it, you know, without looking at it on the screen, it's really not that white. Yeah, the black appears to be darker too, but it has a more plush look to it. Both of them do. They just look like a well-used carpet mats, you know, car mats. Satisfactory in my eyes. Like I say, even that driver's side, it has a, especially the front, nice plush look to it. Down here, the main part, obviously the fibers are worn, because that's where my shoes are all the time. But P&S cleaned them up really well, for sure. Kind of wish that I'd done it before and after of the interior of the car, because that came out even better. Especially, you know, underneath where the mats were. Came out really nice. So P&S Brake Bomber, great product. I'm glad I got a gallon of it. If you want to try it, even 16 ounce is cheap. So definitely recommended product. You can see for yourself. I do the carpets in my new car. Maybe I'll do another video, because like I says, these are definitely used mats, that's for sure. So it says guarantee you'll like it if you get the product. Highly recommended, and thanks for watching my video.